Welcome to this explainer. Finding a developer who actually understands the business side of things, it's honestly like finding a needle in a haystack. But today, we're unpacking the portfolio and the entire professional framework of Los Angeles-based developer Daniel Zivetz. So if you've ever wondered what it really takes to turn a raw, messy concept into a polished, working digital experience, well, you're absolutely in the right place. We're going to break down his whole approach, his technical toolkit, and exactly how he operates in today's highly competitive digital landscape. Let's dive right in.
Right out of the gate, his core mission statement really sets the tone. He says, "I build modern, user-friendly web applications that solve real problems." The absolutely crucial takeaway here is that we aren't just talking about a guy who sits in a dark room and writes code in a vacuum. This highlights a developer who views himself first and foremost as a problem solver. It's all about translating complex tech into actual, tangible business value and keeping users happy.
And he backs up that problem-solving approach with 4 really distinct pillars. First up, being goal-oriented, meaning he always keeps his eye on the actual problem you're trying to solve rather than just obsessing over the tech stack itself. Second, he has this always-learning mindset, which, if you're in tech, you know is absolutely critical. Third, and I'd argue this is the most important one for clients, he really prides himself on being a great communicator. No surprises, just crystal clear updates. And fourth, he backs all this up with verified foundational credentials, like his professional development certificate from Coursera. He's really positioning himself as a reliable partner here, not just a hired hand you throw tasks at.
Okay, certified cloud and AI expert. Because having a great ethos is one thing, but you really need the hard technical chops to back it up, right?
What is truly impressive here is the sheer velocity of how fast he picks up new skills. In February 2026, he locked in the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. Great. But then, just 2 months later, in April, he leveled up to AWS Solutions Architect. And then, literally right on its heels in May 2026, he secured the brand new AWS Certified AI Practitioner credential. Getting 3 major AWS certifications in just 4 months, that is some serious dedication. And that specific newly issued AI certification, that's a massive indicator of his authority in this space right now. He is verifiably trained by Amazon Web Services to handle modern cloud architectures and, crucially, to integrate cutting-edge AI models.
Moving on to From Resume to Reality, live production projects. Certifications are fantastic, for sure, but the real test is what a developer actually ships and puts out into the wild.
Over 6. Daniel currently has more than 6 distinct live projects out there in production right now. And let's be totally honest here. In the developer world, where having a graveyard of half-finished side projects is basically a running joke, actually shipping this many products is incredibly rare. We're not talking about theoretical code bases living on a local laptop. These are functional products being used by real people to solve real issues out in the real world.
Let's rapidly fire through what these projects actually look like, because his versatility here is fantastic. You have AI-powered tools like BrainQuill, which is this really cool academic writing assistant, and Smart IT Solutions, which actually uses AI for system diagnostics. Then, on the other side, you have SaaS platforms and developer tools like Codesmith.pro and the Computer Expert Portal for client management. But perhaps the most impressive thing? He builds these highly localized marketplaces and community tools. Just take EV Finder West LA. It includes an incentive calculator that actively saves users up to $13,000. Seriously, 13 grand. That clearly demonstrates his full-stack versatility. He's no one-trick pony. He can build AI tools, subscription software, and community platforms that deliver direct, massive financial value to the end user.
All right, the blueprint, process, pricing, and partnership. Let's shift gears and look at what it actually looks like to work with him on a day-to-day practical level.
He uses this completely transparent 4-step collaborative process. It all kicks off with a totally low-stakes, free 15-minute discovery call just to align on your goals. Then, step 2 is where that communication ethos shines. Within 48 hours, clients get a detailed proposal with a fixed price, meaning absolutely no hidden costs. Step 3 is the actual development phase, where you get regular updates and full access to review builds as they happen. And finally, step 4 is the big launch, which crucially includes 30 days of bug fix support and hands over 100% code ownership right to the client. It's basically a completely de-risked process for anyone looking to build custom software.
Now let's look at exactly how those fixed prices scale up. I gotta say it is a breath of fresh air in an industry that's often clouded by these vague, moving target estimates. If you just need a basic, mobile-optimized landing page with a contact form, well, that starts at $500 and takes about a week. Need a full multi-page business website with SEO and a CMS? That starts at $1,500 and takes 2 to 4 weeks. But if you need him to leverage all that AWS and AI expertise for a massive, full-stack web application, complete with user authentication, databases, the whole shebang, that starts at $5,000 with a 6 to 10-week delivery timeline. The expectations are set perfectly right from day one.
So, secure your 2026 spot. When a developer offers this crazy level of transparency and verified AI expertise, their calendar definitely does not stay open for very long.
And this is the absolutely key takeaway today for anyone currently looking to hire a developer. 2. Daniel is currently accepting exactly 2 new clients. That's it. It's a highly limited pipeline, but that's by design. It ensures he can actually deliver on that promise of great communication and high-quality code without ever overextending himself. Those 2 spots are currently booking out into June and July of 2026, so his schedule is filling up incredibly fast. Now, he does guarantee a response time within 24 hours for serious inquiries, but here's a little insider tip straight from his process. If you fill out his specific project inquiry form with your budget range, your timeline, and your project details, that actually guarantees a priority response and gets you a much more accurate initial quote right off the bat.
So we've seen the certified expertise, this really robust portfolio of live projects, and a completely transparent business model. Which really just leaves us with this final thought. What does it take to actually turn your idea into a polished digital reality before a schedule closes entirely? If you've got a project in mind, the blueprint is right here in front of you. But that window to act on those 2 remaining spots, it's closing fast. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, keep building.